Online DIY and home improvement retailers face unique challenges tied to search due to the nature of the industry. You need a search that understands DIY specific synonyms, unit measurement conversion, and helps shoppers easily filter through results. You have to focus on streamlining the experience because shoppers purchase 9 items on average, and you need to show shoppers which items are in stock in a specific physical location in case they want to see the product in person. Solving all these challenges can be daunting, but they're important to address because 34% of shoppers on a DIY site use the search on average, and 70% of online revenue comes from these shoppers. Without a search optimized for the DIY industry, zero result pages are common, which lead to a frustrating shopping experience. You need a search solution that can understand and return the right results when a shopper searches for a 150 centimeter long pipe, but all the products in your catalog are listed as 1.5 meters. Or when a shopper searches for sealant, but all of the relevant products in your catalog are named with caulk. Prefixbox Search knows how to solve these difficult challenges. We've been working with Praktiker, one of the most visited websites in Hungary, with an average of 2.7 million visits and 13.4 million page views per month since 2018, and helped them achieve a 31% decrease in their zero result search rate and a 19% growth in their average order value.